Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're breaking down this is how you should order the new 2026 Ford F-150. With so many trims, engines, and tech options available, choosing the right configuration matters. Let's go step by step so you get the best value, performance, and features for your money. Exterior, how to order it. For the exterior, the XLT or Lariat trim offers the perfect balance between style and cost. Choose the Sport Appearance package for body color bumpers, black accents, and upgraded wheels. It looks aggressive without going overboard. Add LED headlights and taillights for better visibility and a modern look. If you want durability, go for spray and bed liner, power tailgate, and 20-inch alloy wheels. This setup keeps the truck bold, practical, and resale friendly. Interior, short, around 100 words. Inside the 2026 F-150, the Lariat trim is the sweet spot. It offers leather-trimmed seats, a large digital gauge cluster, and a 12-inch touchscreen with the latest sync system. Add heated and ventilated front seats, dual-zone climate control, and the work surface center console, which turns the cabin into a mobile office. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and multiple USB-C ports come standard. The interior feels premium, comfortable, and highly functional without pushing the price into luxury truck territory. Performance, best engine choice. The 3.5-liter PowerBoost Hybrid V6 is the smartest choice for 2026. It delivers excellent power, strong towing capability, and impressive fuel efficiency. You get instant torque, smooth acceleration, and the ability to use Pro Power onboard, turning your truck into a mobile generator. For pure towing, the EcoBoost V6 still dominates without the fuel thirst of a V8. Safety features. The 2026 F-150 comes standard with Ford Company Pilot 360. This includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and rear cross traffic alert. Upgrading adds Blue Cruise hands-free driving, making highway trips safer and more relaxing. It's one of the best safety packages in the truck segment. Unique selling points. Best-in-class tech and customization. Hybrid power with strong towing. Pro Power onboard generator system. Hands-free Blue Cruise driving. Excellent balance of work and comfort. Price, smart configuration. A well-optioned 2026 F-150 Lariat PowerBoost typically lands between $65,000 and $72,000, depending on packages. This setup avoids overpriced luxury trims while delivering maximum value and capability. Conclusion. So, this is how you should order the 2026 Ford F-150. Go Lariat trim, PowerBoost hybrid engine, Sport Appearance package, and Copilot 360 with Blue Cruise. You get power, efficiency, safety, and everyday comfort in one perfectly balanced truck. If you want the smartest F-150 money can buy, this is the one that truly deserves your garage or fire.